Hi, I'm Dennis, founder of The Salad Table. Our kitchen garden, it's on special. Normally $129, it's now only $99. The kitchen garden allows you to grow fresh herbs and small variety veggies inside and all year round. You'll have fresh ingredients for all your home-cooked gourmet meals right at your fingertips. With its fully integrated and adjustable LED light, 12 plant spaces and a whopping 3.5 litre reservoir, this sleek garden will have you growing like a seasoned green thumb in no time. The kit includes everything you need to start growing now. Grow pods, baskets, 4 seedling stations, water level indicator, germination domes, and of course, our salad table nutrient. It's the only plant food you'll ever need. And because I know you'll love your gardening journey so much, I've also added a one-off code in the box for a massive discount on all our products, including our larger models. Stop paying ridiculous supermarket prices for poor quality produce and start growing your own fresh herbs and veggies now.